Hey everyone, the basic idea remains the same. E-bikes are typically heavier, bigger, and more crowded than conventional pedal bicycles, even with the recent rapid developments in battery and component technology. What if there was an anomaly, though? Presently posing a challenge to this convention is the Fiido Air, also known as the Fiido Air carbon fiber electric bike. This e-bike, which debuted at the end of April and is presently in the pre-order phase with delivery scheduled to start in August 2024, is expected to revolutionize the sector. Living up to its amazing claims, the Fiido Air is an e-bike that is shockingly basic, packed with technology, all carbon fiber, and incredibly light. This bike is unusually light for a motor-assisted model. It weighs only 13 kilograms, much lighter than other e-bikes. The Fiido Air has a sleek and simple appearance, making a statement with its unadorned step-over frame that may pass for a non-motorized bicycle. Fiido removed fenders, a kickstand, a bell, and even a display, features that are typically seen on e-bikes, in order to reduce weight and improve aesthetics. For an e-bike, this final omission might seem odd, but Fiido makes up for it with several control schemes. The Fiido Air is a 250-watt rear hub motor that produces 40 newtons of torque per minute when combined with a torque sensor. It is an all-carbon fiber electric bike. It has an electronic maximum speed limit of 25 km per hour, but when the law permits, it can be unlocked to exceed 30 km per hour. With a full 3-hour charge, a 208.8 watt-hour battery that is deftly hidden within the lower portion of the frame, offers a range of 80 to 100 km. This e-bike has integrated front and rear lights that are flush with the bike frame, Kenda skinny tires, Shimano hydraulic brakes, a Velo saddle, and incredibly light and thin pedals. The carbon fiber frame successfully absorbs shocks from city streets, even on rougher ground, thanks to its thin saddle and lack of suspension. This results in a surprisingly comfortable ride. The engine of the Fiido Air runs silently, and its torque sensor offers quick assistance. The single-speed configuration of the bike is not a disadvantage because it is simple to tackle steeper inclines, because shifting pawl levels can modify the effort required. The Fiido Air is essentially excellent in both form and function. It combines good build quality, remarkable range per charge, excellent handling, maneuverability, and rapid motor assistance. Its carbon fiber frame absorbs vibrations to improve ride comfort, while simultaneously lowering weight. The simple appearance, devoid of unnecessary extras, highlights the sheer thrill of riding. At $1,799 for pre-order, the Fiido Air is a reasonably priced introduction to the world of technologically advanced, carbon fiber e-bikes. The price will increase to $2,799 after pre-orders, so early adopters will find the current offer especially alluring. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.